How to connect PS4 controller to Windows PC. There are a few methods to connect a PS4 controller to a Windows PC. Here are the most common methods. Using a USB cable. This is the simplest method. Simply connect the USB cable from the controller to the USB port on your PC. The controller will be automatically recognized by Windows and you will be able to use it. Using Bluetooth. If your PC has Bluetooth, you can connect the controller wirelessly. To do this, first make sure that the controller is in Bluetooth mode. Then, go to the settings menu on your PC and select Devices, Bluetooth and Other Devices. Click on the Add Bluetooth or Other Device button and select Bluetooth. The controller should appear in the list of devices. Click on it to connect it to your PC. Using a third-party software. There are a number of third-party software programs that can be used to connect a PS4 controller to a Windows PC. These programs typically offer more features than the built-in Bluetooth support, such as the ability to map controller buttons to keyboard keys. Some popular third-party software programs include *DS4Windows*. This is a free and open-source software program that allows you to use a PS4 controller on a Windows PC. It offers a number of features, including the ability to map controller buttons to keyboard keys, change the controller's light bar, and more. *Input Mapper*. This is a paid software program that offers a more comprehensive set of features than DS4Windows. It allows you to map controller buttons to keyboard keys, change the controller's light bar, and more. Which method you choose to connect your PS4 controller to your Windows PC will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you only need a simple way to connect the controller, using a USB cable is the best option. If you want to use more advanced features, such as mapping controller buttons to keyboard keys, you can use a third-party software program.